In this video, we will cover how to add a planting product on the Ag Leader Edge display. From the home screen, press the Setup button, press Planting, press the Product tab, press the Add button, select either Add Product or Import Product, select the correct crop type, and select the units as planted. Press Next. Press the keypad button and enter the variety manufacturer. Press the keypad button and enter the variety name. As you can see, our new product is now listed. We have now covered how to add a planting product on the Ag Leader Edge display. For more information on Ag Leader products, please refer to your local Ag Leader dealer, other tutorial videos on the Ag Leader YouTube channel, or the Ag Leader Knowledgebase at support.agleader.com. To find an Ag Leader dealer in your area, please visit our website at www.agleader.com and use the Find a Dealer feature located on the homepage.